guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk you through how to make these super simple jars that look really effective and very unique. So let's get started. So here's what we will need for today's craft. So as we will all know by now, I do not throw anything out. So here's some old cooking jars, and we will need our paintbrush and whatever paints we have lying around in our house. So I'm going to be using acrylic paints, but you can use spray paints or whatever paints you have in, and our masking tape. So to start off with, we just want to take our masking tape and our jar, and we just want to take our masking tape and start wrapping it around our jar. Now we don't want to be too neat, because the less neat we are, the more differentiation we're going to have in our jar, and it's just going to make our jar a lot more interesting. Now the areas that we put the masking tape is going to be the areas in which the paint is not going to stick to. So that's just what you want to remember when you start to place your masking tape. So as you can see, where I'm putting the masking tape, I'm kind of trying to create lots of curves and a lot more interesting shapes. So you just want to carry on and do that. So there, as you can see, I have finished covering my jar with masking tape, creating lots of different shapes, making sure that it isn't too neat. As you can see, I've got lots of lumps and bumps in my masking tape, but this is just so that I get lots of nice curves and lots of different depths within my masking tape. So you just want to start applying the paint into the gap areas, but you don't need to be too careful. Now again, you might need a few coats. Okay, so now we have left them for a few hours to dry. It is now time for the fun bit and to reveal what the outcome is. So we just want to take our pots, we just want to try and find the end of a piece of the tape, and we just want to start peeling away at the tape and just reveal the glass that is left behind. So there we go. As you can see, I have some really authentic and really quirky and different jars, with both having really different designs just from simply applying the tape in unique and different ways. And I think these look really effective and can be used for all different kinds of things. I can put plants in them, I can put tea lights in them. Now obviously if you're going to use these for tea lights, please make sure that the paint you use is fire safe. So